How to fix Telegram banned phone number solution. So if you want to fix your Telegram banned phone number solution, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to simply go with your Telegram, tap and hold on to your Telegram, and then go with uninstall application. Once you uninstall the application, you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store, and you can search for Telegram and reinstall the application. Once you've reinstalled, you can open up your Telegram. Once you open your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with start messaging, which is on the bottom, and then continue, and you need to enter your country code and your mobile number and simply go with the arrow which is on the bottom right. But if that doesn't fix your problem, and if it says sorry, your phone number is banned or something, then you will get help option on the bottom left. So you can simply tap on that help option. But if you don't get the help option, then don't worry, you can simply open up your mail, and from here you can go with the address, which is sms@telegram.org. And once you've choose the address, you can simply go with subject. Under subject, you can simply write Android registration login issue, or if you're using Apple, then you can go with Apple. So you can go with the registration login issue, and you need to enter the mobile number. And after that, under compose email, you need to enter your mobile number, your app version, your OS version, and the device name, and after that the error. So the error is phone code invalid. So you just need to simply enter that. And once you enter that, you can simply go with the send, which is on the upper right, and once you've sent, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Telegram banned phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.